Hey everyone, Mr. Excel here. Welcome to our guide on the 15 essential Excel formulas everyone should be familiar with. These are the formulas that I use every single day to get work done. You know, most people open up Excel, they start typing, but the real power is in formulas. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, these formulas will help you become more efficient and effective in Excel. We're going to cover each formula, give you some examples, and by the end of this video, you'll be a formula master. Let's get started. Let's start with the sum function. This is a simple one, but boy is it ever useful. You just point to a range of cells and sum adds them up. Perfect for totaling up a column of numbers in no time. Need to find the average? Excel makes it easy with the average function. Just like sum, select your range and average will give you the average. No calculator needed. Count. How many cells in this range have numbers? That's what count is for. It ignores blanks and text, just counts up the cells with numerical values. COUNTA is count's cousin. It counts all the cells that aren't empty. Numbers, text, dates, even errors, COUNTA counts them all. IF is where Excel starts to get really powerful. IF lets you build logic into your spreadsheets. If this is true, then that. If not, then something else. VLOOKUP is your best friend when you need to look up data in a table. Give it a value to find, point it to the table, and it will bring back the matching information. HLOOKUP is just like VLOOKUP, but it searches horizontally instead of vertically. Same idea, just a different direction. Index lets you grab a specific value from a range, like picking a card from a deck. You tell index the row and column, and it returns the value at that intersection. Match is like playing hide and seek with your data. It finds a specific value and tells you its position in a list. CONCATENATE lets you combine text from different cells together. It's like magic, merging words and phrases into one. Need just the first few characters from a cell? Left to the rescue. Tell it how many characters you need and it'll extract them from the left side of the text. Right is left's opposite. It grabs characters from the end of the text string. Perfect for isolating the last part of a data point. MID is like a substring ninja. It extracts characters from the middle of a text string, starting at any position you specify. Need to know how long a text string is? Len's got your back. It counts the characters and gives you the total length. Trim is your cleanup crew. It removes extra spaces from text, leaving just single spaces between words. No more messy data. Thanks for watching. We hope these formulas help you master Excel. Remember, practice makes perfect, so open up a spreadsheet and start experimenting with these formulas today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And be sure to let me know down in the comments which of these formulas is your favorite. I'll see you next time.